Flora, I said, let me ask you. When last did you deworm yourself and your children?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Have you done that since this year? In fact, have you done that since last year? Mostly some of us, we adults that love eating outside, without minding the kind of water or how the food was prepared. And for children, they play a lot. And whenever they are playing, their fingers might enter inside their mouth and thereby causing worm infection for them. And they might also drink contaminated water, which can also lead to the same infection. So, my dear, try and deworm yourself, because without doing so, you are causing more harm to yourself. And I believe that some of us might have forgotten that there is something like worm medication or worm itself, and which, as an adult, you can deworm yourself once in a year or at least twice in a year. Breaking news. And please, as you are deworming yourself, don't forget to deworm your children, because lack of deworming children can cause anemia. Yes, because when the body did not produce enough iron, it will make the body not to produce enough red blood cells. Also, lack of deworming can cause stunted growth for the child. Yes, in the sense that it will make the child not to have adequate or maximum growth the child needs. It will make the child not to grow very well. If you don't deworm your child, it can cause reduced nutrient absorption for the child.
This is not what a man do. It can be possible.
In the sense that the child will eat and eat, you'll be feeding the child, but the body will not absorb the essential nutrients needed for the child to grow very well. The worm will be eating everything, in with the flex. And again, it can also cause fatigue for the child. You always see your child being tired, and some of you will term it laziness, scolding the child. Why are you so lazy? Why is it that you don't behave like other children, without knowing that the worm inside the child's body is the cause? Lack of deworming can also affect your eyes, yes, and cause severe eye problem for you, which can also be vision threatening. There's a particular worm known as lua.
Sorry for the laugh.
Which we also call African eye worm. It is caused by an insect called the fly. Once you are bitten by this fly, you have the lua worm. Because some of us might have been bitten by this insect that transmits lua worm, and which we might not know. So Flora, go and deworm yourself and your children. Don't say I didn't warn you. But mind you, that child must be 2 years and above, and deworm that child twice in a year. Go and deworm yourself. And again, lack of deworming in a child can cause abdominal pain for the child. Every time your child will be complaining, Daddy, Mommy, my stomach is paining me. And you will not know that it is the one that is causing all those things. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. Save yourself today.